Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a montage with this easy combo. You can try these tips and tricks at home. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, combo skill 1 with Franco's flicker. Actually, when you use the hook and flicker combo to go forward, you don't need to redirect the flicker direction because it will automatically go in the same direction as your hook, so you only need to tap the flicker. But when you want to the flicker hook combo to go back forward, of course when you launch the hook you have to immediately direct your flicker backwards too. Next, the ultimate skill Terizla plus flicker. This combo is much easier to execute. You only need to cast the ulti Terizla skill, then press flicker. The key is only the knowledge of how far the flicker and cast range skill ulti Terizla is, so you don't miss the combo. And last, combo skill 1 and 2 edit plus flicker. This combo is really fun when you try it because you can see as if the enemy was thrown very far by edit. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and bye.